Hi, how you doing? This is Group 12, and the name of our project is Automatic Microgreens Station. I'm the team member. I'm the team leader, Jose Iraeta. I'm a computer and electrical engineer. Then we have Rafael, which is electrical engineering. On this side we have George, who's a computer engineering. We got Louis, is electrical engineering, and basically our project is. Like I said before, as a microgreen station. What is a microgreens? Microgreens are actually vegetables that are grown at a small size. Usually what they do is they do everything by hand, which is the actual tray, filling it up with soil, and then putting the seeds. Then the seeds are taken into enclosed area, which they are kept there on artificial light, and which actually reduces the process of how it grows. And actually the leaves don't exfoliate until they are released like a week or a week later into the actual sun, so they can actually grow the leaves. This kind of herbs actually are grown like this because it's are very is a delicacy, and it's a new trend that actually chefs and people that actually do produce in the U.S. are starting to do maybe like a year ago. So pretty much I work for a produce company, and that's where the idea for the project came in a sense that they do everything by hand. There's not an actual machine that actually does this. So we took it upon ourselves to actually build this machine, in a sense that it will actually it will distribute the tray. It will actually fill it with soil, then wet it a little bit, then put the seeds, and then throw a little mist to initiate the growth of the actual seed. The seeds, depend on the seeds, is actually at the time that it actually takes to be in the artificial light before it's actually taken to the actual sun. I'm gonna pass it to Rafael to talk a little bit more about the project.
Well, as it was already said, we had the beginning of the process. We had to use sensors, and we had to use a PLC to be able to manage each of the different processes. At the beginning, we used two sensors to time everything. The first one sends the soiling part, activates the first motor, it soils the tray, then goes through, senses actually misted, it has a timer, mist has the first mist, then goes through the second sensor, activates the seeder, the seeder starts dispensing the seeds, then we have a timer, a certain time, that gives you the second mist that will activate the seed. So that's basically our project. We have also the tray dispenser that is already timed before while the conveyor belt is running.
And to talk more about the tray dispenser, the tray dispenser was designed to release at a certain time, which caused us problems because we had to make sure and do voltage dividers, so to make sure that the tray dropped to a certain step before it releases the tray. The tray dispenser was made. If you see it here, I don't know if you can see it through the machine. The tray dispenser, it was stacked with two trays for the small demo, and it is meant to release and drop straight into the moving conveyor belt so it can move through the whole process. One of the biggest challenges was mainly getting it to work in those 2 seconds. That was the free time by the PLC, and after that was arranged, everything else went smoothly.
Some of the research that we did in order to implement this application, we went and looked at we were gonna do it with microchip, but then we did some research and talked to some engineers, and we came up to the conclusion that using a PLC was gonna be the best idea to implement the project. And as you can see, we have 3 layers to protect it at the bottom of the PLC, and then moreover we programmed the PLC to time the whole entire system. We used a step ladder to program the PLC and load the whole thing. And the PLC pretty much takes care of everything along with the sensors and activates different stations of the machine.
Hey, you guys wanna?
Right now we're taking it. Hello, this is Group 12, the automated microgreen station. As before stated, this is the tray dispenser. This is the tray that was dispensed earlier in the demonstration in the video. This is the process that it had to go through. This is the conveyor belt over here, in which it had to travel through the soil machine, which was activated to a sensor from the PLC. We have the irrigation, which moist the soil on the trays, so it can so the seeds can have a better grip. It continues rolling through. Here is the seeder, which was activated by the second sensor right here. As you can see, if you look at it from the other angle, it has the same size as the tray, so it can be very precise. If you see it here, it's the same size of the tray, so everything, all the seeds that fall, they fall on the tray. After that, we have a final irrigation, so everything will be nice and moist and ready to go. After that, we just need somebody to pick up the tray and
Stack them.
exactly get ready to have the herbs produced in the next couple of weeks. Thank you.